If you want to clean up a Word document fast, one of the easiest things you can do is remove comments. Comments are useful for reviewing and collaboration, but once you are finished editing, they can make your document look messy and distracting. In this video, I'll show you how to remove comments in Microsoft Word quickly and easily, whether you want to delete one comment or remove every comment in the document at once. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open your document in Microsoft Word and go to the Review tab in the top ribbon. This is where Microsoft keeps all the tools for comments, tracking changes, and document review. Once you are on the Review tab, find the comment you want to remove. If you only want to delete a single comment, click on the text or comment area so it is selected. Then look in the comments group and find the delete button. You may see a small arrow under the delete button, and that arrow gives you extra options. Click the small arrow under delete to open the menu. From here, you can choose to delete just the selected comment, or you can remove comments in bulk. If you want to delete every comment in the document, select Delete All Comments in Document. This is the fastest option when your file has lots of review notes and you want a clean final version. As soon as you click that option, Word will remove all comments from the document and your page will instantly look much cleaner. If you are only removing one comment, Word will delete that specific comment and leave the rest of the document unchanged. This is helpful when you only need to clear out one review note without affecting the others. It is also a good idea to save your document after deleting comments, especially if you are working on an important file. That way, your changes are kept and you do not have to repeat the process later. So to quickly recap, go to the Review tab, select the comment or text you want to remove, click the arrow under Delete, and then choose Delete all comments in Document if you want to clear everything at once. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how polished your document looks. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to remove comments in Microsoft Word. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe for more helpful Word tips, and I'll see you in the next one.